Hello everyone, my name is Winda. Today I'm going to explain about terminology in international trade. Happy watching!
International trade is the exchange of capital, goods, and services across international borders.
Export, a good or service that is shipped from one country to another country for sale or trade. Some of the largest companies and nations in the world derive considerable portion of their annual income from export. Import, a good or service brought into one country from another. Countries are most likely to import goods or services that their domestic industries cannot produce as efficiently or cheaply as the exporting country. Countries may also import raw material or commodities that are not available within their borders. Incoterms or international commercial terms published by the International Chamber of Commerce. Incoterm rules are intended primarily to clearly communicate the tasks, costs, and risks. Export. Seller delivers without loading the goods at disposal of buyer at seller premises. Free carrier. Seller delivers the goods to the carrier and may be responsible for clearing the goods for export. Carriage paid to. Seller delivers goods to the carrier at an agreed place, shifting risk to the buyer, but seller must pay costs to the destination port. Carriage and insurance paid to. Seller delivered goods to the carrier, shifting risk to the buyer, but seller pays carriage and insurance to the named destination port. Delivers at terminal. Seller bears costs, risks, and responsibility until goods are unloaded at terminal destination. Deliver at place. Seller bears costs, risks, and responsibility for goods until made available to buyer at named place of destination. Delivered duty paid. Seller bears costs, risks, and responsibility for cleared goods at named place of destination at buyer's disposal. Seller also responsible for import clearance, duties, and tax. Free alongside ship. Risk passed to buyer, including costs and insurance once delivered alongside the ship or port terminal by the seller. The export clearance obligation rests with the seller. Cost and freight. Seller delivers goods and risk passed to buyer when on board the vessel, also arrange the named destination port. CIF or cost, insurance, and freight. Risk passed to buyer when delivered on board the ship. Seller arrange and pays costs, freight and insurance to destination port. Free on board. Risk passed to buyer including costs and insurance once delivered on board the ship by the seller. Free out is the international shipping term in ocean freight that indicates the consignee is responsible for the cost of loading and unloading goods from the vessel. Free port is an area such as a port city into which merchandise may legally be moved without payment of duties. That's all from my explanation. Thanks for watching.